Today we're going to learn how to create content on Schulering. Go to your dashboard and click on community articles. Then it's just like a blog editor. You can put your article title, select the category articles, or if you have a podcast, then enter the smart tags, the things that will help people to find your articles. And then there is just a blog editor. Actually, you just write down the content that you wish to share. You can put your headings, you can change, of course, colors of the fonts, or you can put images, links. You can even change to code mode, or if you want, you can embed some YouTube videos that you may have created. Just click on the embed button there, get a link of the YouTube video you want to share, and that's it. It's gonna be embedded in your article. You can continue writing after that. You can create some spacing in between. And you can even create columns and enjoy some of the perks of the editor. Once you are happy with your article, just select the image. 1200 by 680 pixels is the best option, but it's all fine. And that's it. Real good. Just have your article now ready to go with the embedded video ready for your our visitors on the website to learn more about what you do, your gift, your specialties, and they can always comment on your post, just like in social media, like it. They can visit your profile or see your details and share that in social media, Facebook, X, or LinkedIn. I hope you enjoy and start creating some content on Schulering.